everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing a card. It's a Glad We're Friends, but this is the This Little Piggy card, and since we're getting on the verge of our new catalog starting June 4th, I thought I would bring this stamp set back out. It is carrying over into the next catalog, and he's so cute. I wanted to share another project with you, with him. So I am going to show you how I cut these little frames out. I'm just using my dies for that. And this time I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to adhere the little piggies right to this Coastal Cabana cardstock, and then the Whisper White is going to be popped up. So I thought I'd try it a little bit different just to see what it looks like, but it's super cute. It has a lot of dimension, and I love how it frames the little piggies. So let's get started with this. So you need a basic card that's 5.5 by 4 1/4. This is the thick Whisper White. You'll need a piece of Coastal Cabana that is 4 by 5 1/4, and then another piece of Whisper White to cut your little windows out of, which is 3 3/4 by 5. You're also going to need a piece of basic black, and this is 2 3/4 by 1/2, and this is the sentiment, and we are going to emboss the sentiment on here with our white embossing powder. Alright, so let's get started by cutting the windows out in here. This is really easy. You just have to make sure that they have this pretty close spacing on them. So we are using our layering squares, and this is the one that I'm using right here, and let me tell you about what size the square is on here. It's about a 2-inch square. So we are going to place one here. Make sure that it's straight too. I'm going to give it a little bit more of a edge here, and we're just going to run that one through. This really gives a nice effect. I like it better than just cutting out a piece of cardstock, like cutting out the Coastal Cabana. I like the window effect better on this. So then we're going to lay this one down also. And we're going to try to space these about the same. So like this area here. And I'm just eyeing it. So hopefully, let me look at it this way to make sure I got it pretty even. I think I need to move it just a hair. Alright, we're going to go with that. You can measure it and everything if you want to, but I just eyeballed them, both of the ones that I've done. So that's it for cutting our little windows out. So that is what it's going to look like. And save your inside pieces. These are great for writing your sentiments on or using them in another project. It's a good piece of a Whisper White there. Alright, so that is our frame there. We're going to go ahead and attach our Coastal Cabana to the front of the card. And then we are going to add our frame, and then we're going to stamp our little piggies and color them. So put this on here. And then we're going to go ahead and use some dimensionals for this one. And I got a new pack, so I'm going to start this out. And you can also use your tape. If you have used the dimensional tape, I sometimes use it on projects like this, but today I'm going to just use my dimensionals. But I'm going to use quite a few on here because I want it to stay popped up when I send it in the mail. I think I'm going to do one more up here. So there's quite a few on there, but these are very economical, so See how sticky it is? It's stuck to my fingernail. And then we're just going to center this and lay that on here. Just like that. It's really, really cute. I really like it popped up like that. All right, so let's get our little piggies stamped, and we are stamping them with the Memento Black, Tuxedo Black, because we need to use our blends for them. And it's really quick and easy coloring. But I do have to fussy cut them, but I will, oh, I forgot to, I'm going to fussy cut them so it doesn't matter that that's on there. I'm just going to fussy cut around it. Before, when I did it, I just masked it off. Let's see if I could fit him on here too. Yeah. Just use your scrap whenever possible. Alright, so I am using for this, I'm using dark pink pirouette and light pink pirouette, and then for the grass I'm using the light mossy meadow. So for the little piggies, we are just going to outline him in the darker, and I'm going to use the brush tip here. I'm doing his little nose, the dark, and inside his ears. The rest of it I'm just going to kind of outline. Okay, so there are our two little piggies. They're so cute. I love these little piggies. So next what we're going to do is we're going to use some Versamark, and we are going to stamp our piece of basic black. And I need my embossing buddy so we can get the static off of that. And I didn't show you the stamp sets. So this is this little piggy right here, and the sentiments are so cute. And look at this one. They're so cute. And then I just used the Fable Friends, the Glad We're Friends on that. Okay, so we are going to stamp this one. Let's see if I got that straight. I think I could do a little bit better. So I'm going to turn it over, do it again on the other side. I'm going to put it closer to me so I can see. Yeah, I think that one's better. Alright, I'm going to grab my white emboss. And with such a colorful image, I really like this white emboss on the black for this. Gives it a little contrast. And then I'm going to grab my heat tool, and we are going to emboss it. Okay, so there is our sentiment. And now we're ready to put him on the card. Grab it here. And we're just going to use snail for these. And we're going to put him on here like this. And then we're going to do the other one. I'm going to tuck that under there a little bit. I need to cut it just a hair shorter. I think he's a little bit crooked. I need to fix him just a little bit. It's got to be in there straight. That's better. Yeah, that's better. All right, and now we are going to attach our sentiment, and we're gonna just, I'm going to cut this because I didn't really need that much. So we're gonna just cut that. Just like that. So there's just two different options for you when you cut your own little frames. So this one, he is inside, and this one is popped up. So you can do it either way. I like them both. So you have options here. You can use a circle, you can use the square, but it's a really cute effect. So I hope you enjoyed this little piggy card. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.